All right, so right after the swearing-in ceremony today, the Prime Minister will be now dining in with the New Delhi Chief Minister, as MLAs are also being invited at this meeting that would be taking place at the Imperial Hotel. And also what is being said that other MLAs are also expected to attend the dinner meeting that would be taking place. So let's get on a word from Pradeep Datta, who is joining us right now. Pradeep, good morning to you. As far as, today's events are now concerned, a grand swearing-in ceremony, arrangements that had already started to be taken in place even before the formal announcement was made by the BJP.
Yes, you're absolutely right. I'm right now outside iconic Ram Leela ground where the swearing-in ceremony will take place. You can see that there is a heavy deployment of police personnel. More than 5,000 police personnel and paramilitary force personnel have been deployed only here at Ram Leela ground, because Prime Minister Narendra Modi, along with Union Home Minister and other cabinet ministers, they will be coming for the swearing-in ceremony. Besides this, there will be 50 celebrities who will also be attending this function. Businessmen, auto rickshaw drivers, even the heads of several clusters will be part of this thing. Let me show you. Look at this poster, Viksit Delhi, Shapath Samaroh, that clearly indicates that they are here with a mission to transform Delhi. Because if you look at why the function is being organized at iconic Ram Leela ground, it's an important message that is being sent by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Because a decade back, we have seen that Anna Hazare movement against corruption had started here at iconic Ram Leela ground. That shot Arvind Kejriwal into promise. So many tall promises were made, and over the period of time, it has seen that all those promises were not fulfilled, and that's one of the reasons that people of Delhi were disillusioned, and this time they chose BJP. And the second thing is that last year there was an INDA bloc. They also held a rally here, and during that rally they also made several promises. But what we saw that within months, INDA bloc crumbled like pack of cards. So what the message is from the BJP side, that we are going to have a swearing-in ceremony from that iconic Ram Leela ground, and the message is that whatever promises had been made, the commitment that has been made to the people, that will be fulfilled, and we are going to deliver. And that's one of the reasons that the Prime Minister, after swearing-in ceremony, he is going to meet all those legislators, including the Chief Minister Rekha Gupta. The message will be clear to them, because this is going to be a tough time for you, because you have to come up to the expectation. You have to ensure good governance, you have to ensure transparency, you have to ensure accountability, and you have to ensure that all the promises that have been made to the people are fulfilled, because at the end of the day, it is the Janta who decides who has to stay in power. Let me show you. Look at the cutouts. Already, in fact, the lady of the moment is going to be Rekha Gupta. She is going to be the fourth woman Chief Minister of the Delhi. Not only that, she is going to be the fourth woman Chief Minister, but ninth Chief Minister of Delhi, because the first one was Sushma Swaraj. After that, we have seen for several years it was Sheila Dikshit of Congress. For 5 months, Atishi was there, and now Rekha Gupta. By selecting Rekha Gupta as the Chief Minister candidate, because what actually the messages to the Aam Aadmi Party, you gave temporary Chief Minister Atishi, we are giving a permanent Chief Minister Rekha Gupta. And another thing is that they are trying to empower women, because already we have seen that during election also several promises were made.
Well, apart from Mamata Banerjee in the West Bengal state, we are looking at Diya Kumari and Deputy CM there in Rajasthan, and it is now Rekha Gupta who would be another woman Chief Minister who would be sworn in today in the national capital.